Yo, what is up everybody? It's your channel Tourism Hub back with another video, and this time we're going somewhere epic. We're talking about Antarctica, baby. This continent is unlike anything else on Earth. We're about to dive deep into the top 5 glaciers Antarctica has to offer. From the world-famous Perito Moreno to the lesser-known but equally stunning Drygalski. Stay tuned, because we're about to take you on a journey to the bottom of the world. So buckle up, grab a snack, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Okay, first up, we're kicking things off with a bang. Get this, the Lambert-Fisher Glacier. This thing is an absolute monster. It's the largest glacier on Earth. We're talking over 250 miles long and up to 60 miles wide. You can actually see this behemoth from space. The Lambert-Fisher Glacier flows out from the East Antarctic ice sheet and eventually spills out into the Amery ice shelf. Imagine standing on the edge of this icy giant, looking out over a sea of white that seems to stretch on forever. And if you're really lucky, you might even witness a massive calving event, where huge chunks of ice break off and crash into the water. Next up, we're heading over to the Taylor Glacier, and this one is truly something special. What sets this glacier apart is a natural phenomenon known as blood falls. The water flowing from this glacier is stained a deep, rusty red color due to high iron oxide content. Scientists believe that the iron comes from an ancient isolated lake that's been trapped beneath the glacier for millions of years. The Taylor Glacier is also home to unique microorganisms that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Now let's talk about the Perito Moreno Glacier, a true icon of Patagonia and one of the most accessible glaciers in Antarctica. Located in Los Glaciares National Park, this glacier is a sight to behold. It's a massive wall of ice that stretches for over 3 miles wide and towers over 200 feet above the water. Unlike many glaciers that are receding, Perito Moreno is actually advancing. This means you're almost guaranteed to witness incredible ice formations, from towering spires to delicate arches. And if you're up for an adventure, you can even go ice trekking on the glacier itself. Take a boat tour on Lake Argentino for a different perspective, or hike to one of the many viewpoints for panoramic views. Okay, things are about to get real. We're talking about Thwaites Glacier, also known as the Doomsday Glacier. Thwaites is massive, about the size of Florida, and it's melting at an alarming rate. Scientists estimate that if it were to collapse completely, it could raise global sea levels by several feet. Understanding how and why Thwaites is melting is crucial for predicting future sea level rise and mitigating the effects of climate change. Scientists from around the world are studying it closely, using cutting-edge technology to monitor its movements. It's a stark reminder that our actions have consequences, and we need to take climate change seriously. But it also highlights the incredible work being done by scientists to understand and address this global challenge. Last but not least, we're finishing our journey with the Drygalski Glacier, a true hidden gem of Antarctica. This glacier flows from the South Victoria Land coast into the Ross Sea, creating a dramatic contrast between towering ice cliffs and the vast expanse of the ocean. One of the coolest things about the Drygalski Glacier is its unique floating tongue. This massive chunk of ice extends out into the Ross Sea for over 40 miles, creating a surreal landscape of icy pinnacles and crevasses. The Drygalski Glacier is a reminder that even in the most remote corners of our planet, there's still so much beauty and wonder to discover. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 glaciers in Antarctica, each more stunning and awe-inspiring than the last. But Antarctica is more than just glaciers. It's a continent of extremes, where you can experience the power of nature firsthand and encounter incredible wildlife. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own Antarctic adventure today. Until next time, keep exploring.